Hi, I'm Jonathan Rogers, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown on English 9, walk you through the syllabus, give some tips for students and parents. Since we can't do back to school night in person, I'll do a short run through of what the course is all about and how to contact me and all that great stuff. All right, so this is English 9 at City High. My email address is right there, rogers.jonathan@iowacitischools.org. Please don't hesitate to contact me about any questions about the course, upcoming absences, or anything else that I can help clarify for you. The biggest thing, we've worked hard, all the language arts teachers here at City High, to design LA9 to hope to set students up for success, to really help them evaluate their levels of where they're at in their reading or writing, get better, and be on a path that they can succeed not only in language arts classes, but in all classes at City High, as we need to read and write in virtually everything that we do. Here you'll see on the syllabus are the aligned standards for ninth grade.
Geraldine Cepeda.
Sorry about that announcement. So we'll see here on the syllabus, the aligned standards for English ninth grade. We're working really hard so that whether you go to City, West, or Liberty, we are all getting the same quality education and are teaching the same skills throughout. Big things you'll note here, citing strong evidence through textual supports, using quotes and sources. By the end of the ninth grade, we're really working on so that they can all read and comprehend literature at grade level and be able to pass and understand different reading tests and their scores that they're getting on them. We also really want all students to read complex material. Studies have shown recently that it's really important that all students get a chance to read complex texts. As also the journalism teacher, I'm a big fan of blogging and Flipboard and media literacy. Students are going to get to write on hopefully high interest topics that they're interested in reading and writing about. We will do a narrative writing assignment. In my class, they'll get to write about who they would possibly be or like to be as a success 10 years in the future. We're really going to work on those summary statements when writing essays so that they can summarize and synthesize their ideas. Vocabulary is a huge part of reading comprehension, and we will be working on improving their vocabulary to help them also improve their reading. And I will also, I'm a firm believer in media literacy. We're going to be looking at sources, how students can get the news and avoid the fake news and avoid the misinformation out there, and mainly be really critical thinkers about all those different sources of information out there coming at them through digital and all sorts of other ways that they're accessing information these days. Grading. Standard grading scale, we are really working on keeping our grading aligned. Students can always make up work in my class. So if they do get a bad grade on an assignment, don't think that they can't redo it for a higher grade. I'm a firm believer in mastery learning, and for all their major writing assignments and mastery activities, they will be able to keep working on it to hopefully master the skills and writing and reading assignments that we're doing. Failure is not an option. I love, especially with freshmen, at St. Andrews University, they get pass-fail grades. I really want students to all be successful in the class. We're really working in the first couple of weeks so that they understand how to use Canvas, how to turn in assignments, how to use the Google Docs, and that they know that if they work hard in the class, that they can get a good grade. That's the big rundown on English 9. Like I said in the beginning, feel free to contact me definitely if you have any questions as we go throughout the year. Oh, one last thing I did forget. There will be an option for LA9 Honors where students will have the opportunity to read some more complex text and do some extension and enrichment activities. If your son or daughter would like to be part of this, more information will come and they will basically write a letter towards the end of September to apply for English 9 Honors, which will start trimester 2